Introduce highlight features and overview of AWELTEC Air Compressor Tire Inflator Kit for car. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include: fast inflation, maximum pressure 150 psi, airflow 2.54 cfm, inflates standard vehicle tire in 1.5 minutes, 195/65/R16, 0 to 35 psi, with double cylinders. This 12-volt 10-amp, up to 15 amps, portable air compressor produces a flow of 60 liters per minute, 4x faster than others. AWELTEC heavy-duty dual-cylinder air compressor has a tire pressure gauge and HD digital display. It will shut off automatically at the preset tire pressure. Up to a maximum pressure of 150 psi, plus or minus 0.5-2.5 psi. AWELTEC digital dual air pump suits most mid-size cars, SUVs, vans, RVs etc. Bright LED light. AWELTEC tire pump is equipped with 5 bright LED lights that support inflation Oregon repairs in the dark. Or it can be your campsite lighting. Travel gift: during your car trip, carry our AWELTEC air compressor kit, which is easy to use and keep your tires in good condition. You can buy an air pump as a gift for family or friends. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.